White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 1. This is, in fact, the whole story is about a white dolphin, a calf dolphin, and a mother dolphin. White Dolphin is a novel written by Gil Lewis. Kara is the main character of the story, who is also protagonist of the story. In the story, Kara has been portrayed as an environment lover with the deep passion of wildlife. The setting of the story is in Cornwall, where Kara lives with her father in her aunt's home, as they are unable to afford a separate home for themselves. The whole story is narrated by Kara, a 12 years old girl who is student of grade 7 in upper primary school. In chapter 1, Kara is seen sitting in the school on a wall, ripping the pages of Bible which she was holding in her hand. The pages were tumbling across the field. Jake and Ethan, who were Kara's classmates, come there and try to pull Kara down off the wall she was sitting on. But the wall was too high for them to reach. Jake and Ethan both try to bully Kara and tell her that she will be sent to hell for ripping Bible pages. Ethan mocks her and tells her that she won't be able to read signs in hell, as she would not be able to read sign in hells, as she did not know how to read. Jake tries to bully Kara again by telling Ethan that Kara's father had been fired from job because he cannot write his name, and Kara's mother used to write his name for him. Jake offers Kara mockingly that Kara's father can come and work with trawlers of his father, Doggy Evans, who is desperately waiting for the ban to be lifted in 10 days, and he plans to dredge every corner of the reef. Kara continuously tries to ignore Jake and Ethan by imagining that she was not there, rather she was sailing in the ocean. Far in the ground, Kara sees that Mrs. Carter was coming towards her, who had been informed by some student that Kara is out there ripping Bible pages. Jake plays his last card to tease Kara by saying that there is an advertisement in the newspaper that Kara's boat Moana is on sale, and his father plans to buy her, Doggy even plans to buy Moana and chop her up for firewood. This was last limit of Kara to tolerate Jake's bullying, and she hurls the Bible at Jake. It slams into Jake's nose and he drops down like a stone. Kara jumps down and runs away, leaving Jake bleeding and Mrs. Carter yelling at her to come down, but Kara does not stop there and runs away from the spot. That's all about chapter number 1. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you may receive my upcoming videos.